The screen is locked, but the YouTube music video is playing. Now I will show a free way to do this. Open the video you want in a browser such as Chrome or Opera. Switch to the desktop version of the site. Start video playback. Minimize the browser and playback will stop. Swipe down to open notifications. Among the notifications, you will see the playback control panel. Start video playback again. Now you can lock your phone, but the playback will continue. Enjoy. In conclusion, if you don't see the playback control panel among your notifications, then go to Settings, App Notifications and enable notifications for your browser. If this video was helpful to you, please give it a like. If you have questions, write them in the comments. If you want to be notified about new videos about Android tricks, subscribe to the channel. Bye.